Welcome to our video tutorial for logging into the admin menu. In this video, we'll cover how to log into the admin menu from your website, as well as from ihouseweb.com. And with that, let's get started. The first step is to visit the homepage of your website. Scroll to the bottom of your homepage. Down by the footer, you'll see Admin Menu. Click Admin Menu. The login form will show as Admin Login. Use your admin email and admin password to log in. After logging in, you'll arrive at the admin menu dashboard. Noting the login button on the homepage is not used to access the admin menu. That's for registered visitors on your website to manage their account and view their favorited listings. You can also log into the admin menu by visiting ihouseweb.com. In the top right, you'll see Login. Again, the login form will show as Admin Login. Use your admin email and admin password to log in. After logging in, you'll arrive at the admin menu dashboard. And that concludes our video tutorial for logging into the admin menu. If you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our elite service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.